enjoyed. This is my little sister Eliza. We're going to open our camera today. This is a small paper that we're going to use so we can see the picture come out.
Okay. Show us the camera.
Okay, I think it's
Somebody just took the camera and ran away.
Yeah.
Who is that?
That's Eliza, my little sister.
And what is she doing?
She is jumping the trampoline with the camera.
Oh, bummer. That's a bummer.
Papa, can you just help me?
Oh, you want my help?
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay, I need to get her back on that.
you're gonna go get it?
Yeah, I need my shoes for that.
Oh, you need to take your shoes off? Okay, take your shoes off and go get the camera.
I need to get the shoes with the camera inside.
You are not getting into the trampoline with the shoes. It's a bad idea.
Okay, I'll leave it. I just taking.
Ask her nicely right from here.
Can you give me the camera, please? The video started. Okay. Thank you.
Good job. All right, very good.
Wow! That's that! Let me take her out. Wow!
Oh.
She fell down exactly. Okay, so what we're doing, this is the camera. We're going to just open. She's taking everything away.
And who is going to open it? You're going to open it? Let's start.
Okay.
Start. Open it.
Can we take this?
All right.
What is that? Okay. Here we go, Papa. Can I open?
Yes, you can open it.
Okay. Yes. I will open.
You're having a hard time opening it.
Yeah.
Looks like someone's having no trouble opening it. She's just tearing it apart.
I got it opened.
Good
Now
job.
let's see.
What is inside it?
The camera. I found the camera. Okay. And the battery. Not the battery. Open. Okay. The camera is already opened. And camera open. And this thing is here. It also has some. Okay, now let's open this camera. Okay, this is the camera.
Oh, I like it. Alrighty. So you like it?
Yeah, she does.
All right, now let's see how to use it.
Eliza, give me camera.
Someone's trying something. Uh-oh. What is she doing with that? What are you doing with that?
I'm trying to take the picture.
What are you doing with that? What are you doing with that?
Eliza, give me. Okay, now let's see how we get to. Take the picture.
Oh, do you need help? Let's
Yeah.
put the battery.
Yeah. Here the battery, Papa.
Yes, thank you.
And my dad helped me about this thing. It's a camera, and my dad helped me to get off. Papa.
Yes.
Turn it on the camera. He's not big.
Sorry, Papa.
It's okay.
So there's lots of bags we're going to open. These are the bags we're opening after that camera. These are the bags we're opening now when the camera is getting opened. Papa, is it okay if I open this? Well, my dad just said nothing, so we're just going to put the battery inside the camera. Then we're going to take the picture. Then we need to put this inside there. See you. Just wait for a second. Let me help my dad.
Give me that. Give me that paper.
Okay, here we go. Take the paper.
This is where you take the paper.
I'm not doing this. I'm still doing this. Is that open?
No, my Papa.
Keep it closed. Keep it closed. Keep it closed.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
While my dad's doing that, let me take my cat out of the way.
I want this.
Come on there. Down. Okay, don't take my cat and
open.
put that down. She cannot be in
The
this.
open.
It is actually so she's a
open.
potato. So be don't
Papa,
be
the
scared. Okay, she's just
Hi.
a cat. Shippy.
So here,
Did you want to okay.
the camera has the film that we bought,
This is
the
the
paper. See that yellow tab?
yeah.
And there's a yellow here.
Yeah.
It lines up. You drop it in, close it,
And take the picture.
and close the battery cover. Right?
Papa, where do you click so you can see the
So here, you press this and open, and now you hold like this. Over here, you can click. So you're gonna look through here and click. So you can show all of that. Let me see. Yes. Are you gonna turn? Your sister's gonna take a picture.
The open.
Yeah, look at her. Look at her for a picture. What do you see?
The open.
Eliza and you
Okay.
and the camera.
And where do you click?
Here.
No, on your right hand. There.
And I take the picture of her.
What do you see?
Eliza
All right.
in the vlog. Now I click Eliza now.
Okay, take Eliza. Yay!
Not even coming out.
It
Wow.
is trending out. And wait.
Not it out.
Yes, wait.
What's inside?
Can I have it?
Here you go. I'll put it.
Nope, nope, nope.
Here you go.
Why? Where's the picture?
The open it now. The open.
Okay, that's why we're just opening. We're opening the cover.
Papa. Papa, please. Papa, please.
Wanted to try one more?
We're just going to open this thing. Just wait for a second.
All right, look at Eliza and take one more picture similarly.
Okay.
Let's see what's gonna happen.
Just like this.
Yeah, like that.
Oh, wow. I think it's
Sit there, sit there, sit there. Okay, here, here.
Listen, now sit down or we're going to.
Not, okay, okay, here.
Two, Alita, look at me. The one. Alita, I will take a picture of you in the trampoline.
No, it's okay. Look, take it now.
It's coming out.
Wait, 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 wait. Wait, wait.
Did it work? Did it work, Papa?
So the first one, you have to wait.
no.
You have to wait.
You need to wait for it?
Did he have a manual in it? It came with a manual.
Oh my God.
Hello, let's read the manual. Take a photo.
Me? Do it now.
Smartphone.
No.
Don't do it.
Okay. All right. Let's see what it says.
Sit.
Oh, here we go. The picture is coming up,
But then you
Elena.
have to write
Elena,
it.
look. No, look.
That's on me.
Yeah.
That's on me.
This is you. Papa,
Let's
is
show this to everyone. Show this to
Papa,
everyone.
you have to write this name.
Yeah, it's okay. Show this to everyone.
Lisa, show it to everybody.
Show,
Everybody?
show it to the camera.
Now, it's ready. Now you can see it.
So this is the first one. Nothing comes out. From that onwards, it works, right? So
Yeah.
show it to everyone.
I'm also.
Okay, show.
Also. I want to know.
All right, show that picture.
Okay. Please take me to that.
I'm also. That's so too.
Lisa, the video started. Please take me that. Okay, everybody. This is actually not doing well. We need to just take this up from her. She's not even doing. We just,
It is okay. It's all good. You actually have it.
yeah.
You saw.
And the main camera? Nope, nope, nope.
It's okay. It's okay. Oh, you cannot push it back. Another one's gonna come out. Another one's gonna come out. Take another picture. You take a picture of the sissy. Eliza, you take picture of sissy. Oh, someone's crying. Someone's crying. Who's the crybaby? This is the crybaby. Who's the crybaby? This. Who's the crybaby? This.
And well, we have that.
Well,
Let me just check out something. Okay, wait here.
she is messing up that camera. You're damaging the camera. All right, here we go. Show the picture to everyone now.
This is the picture. Okay, now she's okay, bye everybody. This is all it now. Welcome and bye.